Hello everybody, this is Sergeant Stewart making a video on how to get on real life Dingor life with all the mods and correct things to get online and be able to play. Okay, basically what you want to do is you want to go on your browser, doesn't matter on which one you got. Go on Google, type in add-on sync. Once you go to add-on sync, you go to the first one, the YOMO tools for Armed Assault, it doesn't matter. You get the add-on sync 2009 beta. Once you click on that, it should open up a new tab. You want to get the top one, not the package one. You want to get the one right under it. The add-on sync 2009 beta 1.0.67 MSI. Once you get that and download it and install it, it should make sure you get it all ready to go to get started up and everything. You could pause the video right now, and I'm going to open up mine. Once it opens, it's going to bring you up to this page. Right now I have all these other servers. This won't show for you. Basically what you want to do is you want to go to open new server. I'm going to go to mine. It should show this. Once you're in the auto config URL on the auto configuration, you want to type in this HTTP auto config URL. Once you type that in, don't type in the real life RPG or the MOTD or the password. It'll all import it for you. All you need to do is type in the auto config URL and hit import server and hit save. Once you do that, you go to if it directs you back to favorite servers, you should see real life RPG. Click on open server and then go to download add-ons. Once you do that, click on check for add-ons. You should see a 2 GB up here. Just click download add-ons and you can pause the video right now. It's going to take a while depending on your internet speed, and while that's downloading you could go to, not while it's downloading, but when it gets done downloading, go to Google or whatever search engine you use, type in Arma 2 launcher and then go to the Armaholic first link. Scroll down. These are 2 mirrors. It doesn't matter on which one you download. Just make sure you download it, zip it into a folder on your desktop or wherever you want to put it, and make sure you open up the Arma 2 launcher. Once that's open, it should ask you, do you own Arma 2? Once it asks, do you own Arma 2? You want to search for your exe file. If you have Steam, you're going to go to AE86, Program Files. You're going to go to Steam, and you should see Steam Apps, Common, and you should see Arma 2 or Arma 2 Operation Arrowhead there. I'm going to go to mine, which is, I bought it retail, on like on disc. I bought Combined Operation, so it's not going to show Operation Arrowhead. What you want to do is you want to click on the Arma 2 EXE. Once you click open, it's going to say, do you own Arma 2 Operation Arrowhead? All you got to do is search for your, right before it, you should see Arma 2 Operation Arrowhead in the Steam folder and the Common Apps. And you should see the Operation Arrowhead. And like I said, let me show you one more time. Steam Apps, Common, you should see Operation Arrowhead. I'm going to go to mine. You should see Arma 2 OA EXE. And it should open. Once it opens, you should see Real Life RPG to the left. Once you got done downloading it on add-on sync, you should see it to the left. It should say at RL RPG. And if it doesn't show anything after you downloaded the add-on sync downloads, go to add-on options, go to the green plus, go to wherever your Arma 2 directory is. Mine is here. And you're going to click on the folder. Don't go in the folder, but click on the Arma 2 Operation Arrowhead for you. If you don't have any Operation Arrowhead, just click on Arma 2 if you have combined operations. But make sure you click on the Arma 2 Operation Arrowhead folder. And you click on it and you click OK. Once you do that, you could go to your launch options. You could, if you want your game to run better, I have 6 cores. I have an AMD processor. You can set your CPU count. The max RAM the game uses is 2047, and sometimes I run in XP compatibility mode. And just make sure your executable locations are correct. And for the Operation Arrowhead beta, you go to Browse and look for your Arma 2 Operation Arrowhead folder, and then go to Expansion, go to Beta, and Arma 2 EXE should be there. If you don't see a beta there, just click on the download beta and then proceed to what I told you to do for the browse. And you should see the RL RPG here now, since you got that all ready to go. You should see, let's see, you should see that, and you should see the add-on and mods to the right. Make sure you checkbox that. Make sure you click the plus if you have to. You should see group run. What you want to do is you want to see the RL RPG, drag it over into a group, whichever one, if you already have multiple. But if you just installed it, you should only have one group. Drag it into there and you should see like RL RPG right here, but mine's in group 4. Once you do that, you should check on the RL RPG, check the box, and check the add-on and mods. This basically shows all the mods that you're going to start up with for Arma 2. But for me, I have it in group 4, so I'm not trying to start up with group 1. I'm going to start up with group 4, and then I'm going to start up with RL RPG. And once you do that, you click on Combined Operations and go to Play Online if you want. I mean, it doesn't really make a difference on whether or not you click the Play Online, but all you do is you click Start Game and you'll be good to go. All you got to do is click on Multiplayer, go to Filter, and type in Real Life RPG. Real Life RPG, you should see Real Life Dingor Life, and if you start up with the correct mods, you should be good to go. And if it does not work, if you have any problems, just make sure you reach me on Teamspeak. I am Sergeant Stewart. I am a head admin. Just reach me on Teamspeak. And if you don't have Teamspeak, you could go to Google Teamspeak. You go to that, and you basically go to what do you go to? I'll go back, type in download, and you should see Teamspeak downloads, and then you should see client 32-bit, client 64-bit. You should know your computer and whether or not you have 32-bit or 64-bit. Once that's done to go, you set your push-to-talk hotkey, and then you type in realliferpg.teamspeak.ts3dns.com. Type in your nickname, click connect, and you should see everybody here. That's about it. If you have any more questions, like I said, just reach me on Teamspeak, and thanks for watching.